Maddie, instead of walking on our tiptoes, why don't we run for it? And that means bigger strides and fewer steps in the mud. What do you think?
Great idea, Dad. You go first.
Okay.
Ready, Dad? 3, 2, 1, go!
No! Oh, no. I fell right over.
Woof! Mr. S, are you okay?
Oh,
I'm fine, but I'm covered in mud.
Dad, I'll help you. Oh no! One of my boots got stuck. Triggs, help!
You can lean on me, Maddie.
Somebody save me! Mammy!
I'll get Mrs. S. Mrs. S!
I'm losing my balance! Whoa! Oof. Oh no, I landed right in the mud.
Here, Maddie, let me give you a hand. Whoops. Ooh, it's hard not to... Oof. Fall over right on my bum. It looks like mud 4, family 0.
This is a total disaster.
Is it, Dad? Just listen. Don't you think the mud sounds fantastic? It's squishy, squelchy.
You're right, Maddie. It does sound brilliant. It's amazing what you hear when you just take the time to listen.
What's a little mud? What's a little grime? These boots were made for mud, so let's have a good time.
Let's get muddy with a buddy. Slosh, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with a buddy. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
We can clean up later, it will all be good as new. But right now we are on a high. Get messy is what we do.
Let's get muddy with a buddy. Splash, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with a buddy. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
Hey, where did the recipe go?
I don't know.
The small pink piece of paper, it was right here.
Oh, I think I might have eaten that, Mr. S.
What? You ate Granny's recipe?
Well, it did say really tasty cake on it.
I don't think that's how recipes work, Triggs.
Ah, this is a disaster. What are we going to do?
Dad, I'm sure we can remember how to bake a cake. I mean, how hard can it be?
You're right, Maddie. We can do it.
It's squelchy and crunchy and gooey and wibbly wobbly.
This is the most fun we've had baking in ages, Maddie. Woof, woof. What do you think, Mr. S?
Well, it's certainly nothing like Granny's recipe, but it does smell kind of nice. And it looks completely bonkers.
Bonkers cake!
You know, maybe you're right, Maddie. Maybe Granny will like it. That's Granny now.
Well, I guess it's time to put it in the oven and hope for the best.
I guess so, Triggs. Here goes nothing.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. There's no recipe for sunshine. There's no recipe for good times.
If we don't follow instructions, who knows what we will make?
It could be a masterpiece.
It could be a mistake.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Mix it,
Mash it,
crunch it,
splash it,
dip your finger,
lick the spoon,
a piece of fruit.
or maybe two.
Come on, Dad, Dad, it's your turn now.
Give it a go, you know how.
We'll make it up as we go along.
Having fun, what could go wrong?
What have I got to lose? I'll try a splash of orange juice, a pinch of salt, some tofu, a kidney bean. Hey, this tastes good. Let's mix it up,
Mix it up.
throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up,
Mix it up.
we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Let's mix it up.
I didn't mean to say your house was boring. I love your stories.
And your biscuits are the best, Granny.
It's just, I like going on adventures. And it's raining outside, and I have all this energy.
Ah, adventures. So why didn't you say so? I have them things all the time. I love a bit of a disco.
Disco?
Triggs, what's happening?
Maddie, we seem to be on board some kind of a train.
And not just any old train. It's my magical disco train.
Magical disco train?
All aboard! Everybody thinks I'm just a frumpy, grumpy gran who's only ever interested in tea. But come and take a spin on board my magic disco train, and pretty soon I think you will agree. I am a super funky granny and I drive the disco train. There's more to me than biscuits, tea and chat. I love to keep it wild, adventure is my middle name.
And we have to say we weren't expecting that. Triggs, this is so cool!
I know, Maddie. I wonder what else Granny gets up to.
Are we all ready for takeoff?
Takeoff?
I didn't mention that it was a flying train, did I?
A flying train?
Sometimes when I realize the biscuits are all gone and there's nothing in the house to dip in tea, I take a spin across the sky to visit Mr. Moon and buy a tasty box or 2 or 3.
Hello, I'm Mr. Moon. Any interest in a spoon or a candle or this tub of mayonnaise? I sell woolly socks and cuckoo clocks and this here fancy biscuit box and myriad things to brighten up your day.
She is a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She is full of surprises, as you'll see. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name. But you really cannot beat her cup of tea. Whoa, Triggs! I didn't know you could play the kazoo.
Now, Granny, what'll it be?
Can I have a packet of biscuits,
1 packet of biscuits,
a box of tea bags?
box of tea, no problem. Anything else?
Don't forget the sucky sweets.
Oh, thank you, Maddie. I almost forgot. And a big bag of sucky sweets, please, Mr. Moon.
There you go, Gran. A nice big bag of sucky sweets.
Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow for the paragliding, okay?
Not if I see you first, Gran.
She's a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She turns her life up all the way to 10. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name. And we'll never call her boring again.
Ah, we're all set. The tent's up and the campfire is nearly ready to light.
Yay! I love camping.
Woof, woof. And here's the last bit of firewood, Mr. S.
Good boy, Triggs. We'll be toasting marshmallows before you know it.
I do love marshmallows.
Even more than doggy biscuits?
Oh, good point. Maybe I can have one of each.
It's such a beautiful evening. I hope it doesn't rain.
This is the life. Out in nature, the wind blowing through the trees, the sweet smell of pine needles.
The soft plop of raindrops?
Oh no, rain! I can't believe it.
Woof, woof. Quick, into the tent, everyone.
Oh, it's raining cats and dogs out there.
Triggs, I'm kind of squashed here. Can you move, please?
Oh, sorry, Maddie. Any better?
No, you've got your bum in my face.
Oops, sorry.
Meh, silly rain.
Who are you calling silly?
Huh? What was that?
Up there, on the roof of the tent.
Hello, it's me, Mr. Raindrop.
Oh, hi, Mr. Raindrop. It's lovely to meet you.
Likewise, young lady. Now, did I hear someone calling me silly?
Yes, I did. What have you got to say for yourself coming down here, ruining our camping trip?
Dad!
I do apologize, sir, but I don't decide when the clouds bust, you know. I'm just a wee little raindrop, but I've got stories to tell. Just last week I was up in a thunderstorm, and then I was down in a well. I've jumped through the trees in the jungle, I've tap danced across the waves. I go with the flow where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Come dance with me, Maddie and Triggs.
Wanna dance, Triggs?
It would be my honor, Maddie. Huh?
Whoa! Yup! Yup!
Yoo-hoo!
Whoa!
Come and dance with me. I've danced on a happy penguin and tickled his small little nose. I've danced on an African elephant's ears and trickled right down to his toes. I've discoed with dingoes in Darwin, I've swayed with seagulls in Maine. I go with the flow where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come and dance with me. I see somebody in this tent who isn't wiggling their toes.
What, me?
Yes, you, Dad.
Come on and dance with us, Mr. S.
It's a bit tight in here for dancing.
Yeah, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Come and dance with us.
Well, maybe I could give it one go. I've always loved going camping, I've never been fond of a dance. I'd set up my tent and clean as I went, not leaving one detail to chance. But the weather is something you can't control, and I'm learning to go with the flow. And just like this raindrop, from now on I'll be dancing as I go.
Go, Dad!
Nice moves, Mr. S.
That's the spirit, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Just go with the flow.